ultra quiet, only 60 decibels. Oil-free pump, cleaner air for better tool operation, less maintenance and costs, use in cold temperatures. 4.00 CFM at 40 psi, and 3.00 CFM at 90 psi, max 125 psi. The MP100LF motor pump is tested for a minimum life of 4,000 hours before wear, at least 30% longer than other brands. 110V 60 Hz, 7.6 amps, 6.0 gal, steel tank 54 lbs. The powerful 1.0 HP motor, MP100LF, operates at only 1,400 RPM, creating less noise and less wear. The MP100LF motor pump is tested for a minimum life of 4,000 hours before wear, 30% longer than the MP100 motor pump. The oil-free dual-piston pump system is engineered for high performance and durability. The dual-piston pump system produces 25% more air compared to other 1.0 HP air compressor motors. The 6.0-gallon steel air tank is lightweight, 54 lbs, is very easy to transport.